Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Sonic the Hedgehog error code 1440. The error reads, "Banned from online matches, returning to the main menu." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users are banned from playing online matches in Sonic Cross-World Racing. Some users shared that they experienced multiple mid-race disconnections, which led to a reduction in their fair play points and eventually resulted in a temporary ban. According to our research, the game uses a peer-to-peer system and has a fair play points mechanism. If a user gets disconnected multiple times, they lose fair play points. Once a certain threshold is crossed, the system issues a temporary ban, even if the disconnections were unintentional. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to wait out the ban. You may have to wait for 24 hours to have the ban lifted. The ban typically lifts automatically after that. Once you are back in the game, make sure you make the changes which avoid game disconnection. One of the things you can try is adjusting your graphics settings. Set the resolution to 900p, which is 1600 RX 900. Keep the rest of the settings on Global High. This may help stabilize the network connection during races without affecting performance. If the error persists, launch Sonic Racing, Crossworlds on your PC or laptop. Once the game is running, try accessing the online feature from there. If you are able to access it successfully, then try again on SteamOS. At last, if nothing helps, then we recommend contacting support. Meanwhile, consider playing offline until the ban lifts. Then, check if this helps with the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.